Blurring backgrounds in Premiere Pro used to be a nightmare, and we all know that. But because of one tool that Adobe introduced in Premiere Pro not long ago, now it's actually super easy and it's fun at the same time, which is more important. So, without wasting more time, let me show you how you can do it. Okay guys, before I start, I want to mention that I'll be using Premiere Pro Beta because this tool it's only available in the beta version for now. And hopefully soon we're gonna have it in the main Premiere Pro. Right, then I'm gonna go to the Premiere Pro Beta, and already I've got a video clip onto the timeline. Then what I'll do, I'll select the clip, hold Alt, click the left button of the mouse and duplicate it and put it onto video track number 2. Then I'll select the duplicated video and then I will go down to this tool, the magic tool. It's called the object mask tool. So I'll click on it and I'll go onto the program monitor, and from here I'm going to select the main object in the video, which is me. And also I will add the microphone as well. Then the next thing I will do is go to the effects control panel, and from object mask under the unassigned mask, I will track the mask by clicking on this button, just like that. And this will start tracking the mask. Now I'm going to stop the tracking because otherwise it's going to take too much time. So I'm going to cut this part of the video. Right, so the next step is to select again this video that you've done the mask on, and grab the mask, select the mask first and grab it and drag it all the way to the opacity and just drop it. So what we basically just done now is removing the background from the top video. And as you can see now, the mask has a solid stroke around the object. Now, the next thing I want to do is select the second video, go to effects and type down Gaussian. I'm gonna find the Gaussian blur and drop it onto the first video, and straight away you can see the difference. Now you've got a very blurred background, but I don't want to be that blurry, so I will scroll down, find the Gaussian blur and decrease the amount, say around 4. 4 looks perfect. I will mute the audio, so I will show you from the beginning, and I will show you how the tracking worked in this particular case. As you can see, it's almost a perfect tracking and it looks amazing. So guys, that's how you can blur backgrounds in Premiere Pro. And as you can see, it's super easy, super fast, and last but not least, it's fun doing it. So if you enjoyed the video and you learned something new, please hit that like button. This will help the algorithm to share this video to more people. So yeah, like that video and also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more Premiere Pro tutorials. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.